Hey everyone, so now I'm going to show you how you will be doing the plus boxes. Now this is from the contemporary world politics and the chapter that I have chosen is international organizations. Okay, now see. Now in international organization, okay, now suppose there's this box over here. This is the type of box that you need to do. This type of box will be important because now see, if there's this box, do you have to remember everything that is given? Do you have to remember that that US's percentage is this and that? No, you don't have to remember these data, but you have to remember that IMF has this much members as of this. This is important, but not these data. But yeah, try read through the members once, you know so you have to understand like what can be important, like this is important, that what is IMF. Okay, now next, same manner. Now this plus boxes, now this becomes a little bit controversial because last time it was mentioned in the syllabus that from plus boxes factual questions will not be asked, but this year if you look at political science syllabus, they have removed that part. That line that said that from plus boxes factual questions will not be asked has been removed, so that makes it a little bit risky for you to like entirely skip it. See, one more thing is that from this plus boxes questions will be coming in CUET as well, so that time you have to learn it. So it is better if you start learning it right now only. So you have to go through these now. During our time we did not have to because it was clearly mentioned in the syllabus that we don't have to, but this year since it has not been mentioned, that means you have to do it. Okay, so again I would not say that try to remember everything, but few things that you think can be important, like this is important, this is important, this is also really important, all the functions of all these organizations. In a box like this you don't have to remember what each of them did, that's going to be too much. You can just like go through few of them, like the current one, who is the current, then someone who has been mentioned in the NCERT as well. Okay, again boxes like this, these are important, you have to go through them very nice, especially their functions, what they do. Okay, and the date it can come in MCQ. Same way this one also, what it was called before, this is also important, the date it is set up, that is also important, how many members it has, then its functions again. So that would be how you would be doing the boxes for contemporary world politics. These boxes would be very important. And the plus boxes, I know there's a lot in the plus boxes, so try to do smart work for that. Go through the ones that you think are important, especially if there are any points mentioned over there that has also been mentioned in the NCERT itself. So try to do that. NCERT in the sense in the main text as well. So try to do those points which are overlapping. Now for the India book, let's see which type of boxes are important. These boxes are important. This is a question that has been there in the previous years as well. Next, these parts as well, don't skip these thinking these are not main parts, you have to do all of them. Now boxes like these where they have mentioned a person, or you'll find these boxes in every chapter where they mention a person. Now this type of box becomes important for your map as well. If it has been mentioned from where this person is, like in some of the boxes it is mentioned that this person is from this state, so or this person was the CM of this state, so that type of question comes in your map based. Okay, and in case of this box, what you can remember is that he was the defense minister during or since 1957, and he resigned after the India-China war. That can be a question. These as well, these are important. Now these movie boxes, I won't say it's like it is not important obviously from your examination point of view, but these are really interesting, so you can just go through them once if you're actually interested in watching movies and stuff, but these are not important for your exam perspective. These boxes are also really important where they have given information. Again, these are all important boxes. Now I wanted to show you like what type of map question can come from this boxes where they have mentioned the leaders. See, this box that has been given about Lal Bahadur Shastri, over here it has been mentioned that minister in UP. So in the map they might ask you the state from which Lal Bahadur Shastri was the minister or this minister gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, and which state's minister was he. Same way, boxes like these, go through them because they are really good, and they also give you summary like over here. Most of the works of Indira Gandhi has been mentioned, so it's very important you go through this completely. Now, if you find case study boxes like this, I won't say these are really important because they won't really be asking you factual questions, because this is just to make you understand the situation. So this type of box is not really important. Again, this is a very important map based question. See Natarajan, like they will ask you to mark Tamil Nadu then. Okay, so this becomes very important. Same way again, Ram Manohar Lohia, this he will also be from UP. And again, boxes like this the information, like the data part would be very important. Here again, this state has been mentioned. The state has been mentioned. So try to look out for the important points in the boxes and go through them. Okay, so this is all. This is how you'll be doing your boxes for your political science. I know last year it was easier because you did not have to do the plus boxes in contemporary world politics, but this year they removed that line from the syllabus, so it becomes a little bit controversial. So I think like in a month you will have CUT as well, so you will have to do those for CUT. So to be on the safer side, you can go through the plus boxes for contemporary world politics, but again I would say do smart work over there. Don't try to learn everything because it can be hectic. Learn those parts which have been mentioned in your text, in the main text as well, so try to relate and learn. So this is all. Hope this video helps. If you have any other doubts, you can let me know in the comments. Good luck with your studies.